Microsoft Windows computer software may soon be facing some serious competition in Russia. Schools in 3 regions are starting to use a free online system called Linux. If all goes well, educational establishments across the country will change to this alternative. Mikhail Lebedev went to find out if teachers and school children are ready to shut their windows for good.
It looks like Windows, it works like Windows. But there's a difference. It's free. This is Linux, a piece of open source software, free online to anyone who wants it. And Russian schools are switching to it to save cash. Alexander Ponosov is a strong supporter of the move. A former headmaster in the Perm region, he was prosecuted for using a pirate version of Windows on the school's computers.
The problem that I face threatens most of my colleagues across Russia. The use of pirate software is common, and often there's no choice. So I've started a non-profit organization to tell everyone about the advantages of free software.
Using pirate software is common today in Russia. And for schools who need word processing, the alternative is to pay Microsoft over $100 for every computer. Now, as a pilot project, Linux is to be introduced into schools in 3 Russian regions by 2009. If successful, all schools throughout the country will make the switchover a year later. But are teachers and pupils ready for this innovation?
I didn't work with Linux myself, but I have friends of my age that use it. They say that Linux is much more comfortable, but adjusting many programs to it could be a big problem.
I've tried the program. It's a bit difficult to switch over immediately because we all grew up using Windows, but it's just a matter of experience.
And some experts say that Microsoft faces a major challenge as more people move towards free software. But Microsoft remains positive about its market-leading position.
We are glad that people will have the possibility of choosing different operating systems, but we try to make our product the best. We want to make it easier for the user to realize their potential, and perhaps this is most important for schools.
The Armada company is the main developer of Linux in Russia. It recently won the right to introduce the software in schools. It believes working with an alternative program has major advantages.
Linux could be better for teaching children at school. The program consists of multiple blocks like Lego. It's open for everyone to see how it works. And the pupils can even learn how to modify such programs.
Russia isn't the first to look at this open source operation system as a classroom alternative. Some schools in India, France, and even in the United States are already using Linux. And if the switchover is a success in Russian schools, governmental bodies may follow, making Linux the main Russian operating system. So far, these children have been using the costly products of Microsoft. And hopefully, switching over to Linux will not only save money from the budget, but will also benefit the skills of the children. Mikhail Lebedev, Russia Today, Moscow.